Good day. On April 5th, I hope that you are at home and taking care of yourself and your family. I'm working on some spring cleaning on our property. Last Friday, Premier Ford and his medical advisors reviewed the modeling of the COVID case projections given different scenarios. The projected COVID cases in Ontario over the next 4 weeks to April 30th range from 300,000 cases with no intervention to 80,000 cases, assuming the current intervention we have practiced in the last month, to as low as 12,500 cases in the scenario they call full future intervention. These numbers vary significantly depending on how disciplined we are in our actions and behavior during the foreseeable future to avoid contact with this virus. The COVID deaths projected in Ontario over the next 4 weeks to April 30th are 6,000 with no intervention, 1,600 with current intervention, and as low as 200 with full future intervention. As of this morning in Ontario, there are 3,630 cases, 1,219 recoveries, 94 deaths, and approximately 72,674 people have been tested. The projections estimate is that some form of COVID could come in waves for at least the next 24 months. Projected Ontario deaths over the course of the pandemic range from 100,000 with no intervention to between 3,000 and 15,000, depending on the degree of our adherence to public health interventions. On Friday, the province announced additional closure of more sectors of the economy. Effective now, only critical construction projects will continue, including critical industrial projects for health and transportation infrastructure. New starts in residential projects have stopped. At Springwater Township, we are ensuring in these circumstances that services are being delivered as best possible while maintaining physical distancing. Remember, we are reachable by phone or email. The fire burn. The burn ban instituted by the province last week does not include Springwater. Rather, it applies to the restricted fire zone in Northern Ontario. Residents are still permitted to burn at this time, provided you purchase a valid permit, which is able to be obtained online, and abide by the rules on the permit. If you do have an outdoor fire, don't make it a social gathering, but please limit it to family you live with, while ensuring you practice physical distancing. Leaf and yard waste disposal. Simcoe County is finding that some people are taking leaf and yard waste to the landfill sites, which is creating lineups and delays for the more urgent needs for access. County will begin curbside collection of leaf and yard waste early next week, initially concentrating on urban areas where there may be limited space for storage. Further messaging will be posted on the county website regarding this. Full service is scheduled to begin on April 20th, providing for resident needs and taking some of the pressures off the 4 open sites. Street sand sweeping in the township will begin the week of April 14th. There will be more posted on the Springwater website regarding times and areas for sand pickup. We as Ontarians have done well so far in many ways, and as a result, thousands of lives have been saved. However, with 94 deaths in Ontario, we are almost halfway to the low number projection of 200 deaths in April, and it is only April the 5th. We must remain vigilant with full intervention initiatives to break this chain of infection so that we have fewer than 1,600 possible deaths in Ontario in April. Please stay at home as much as possible and only leave in essential circumstances. Keep a distance with other people of 2 meters. Properly cover coughs and sneezes into tissues and then discard them, or into your arm or elbow. Wash your hands frequently and properly and dry them using paper towel or a clean cloth. If you can't wash, use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. If you do go out for a walk or for exercise, don't do it in groups. And if you come in contact with someone, maintain the required 2-meter or 6-foot distance of physical distancing between each of you. This time is trying for all of us, but we will do this together. The more we all practice these preventions, the faster we will get through this and the lower the numbers will be. Thank you, and please stay safe.